Here's a quick look at some of the new products that will be hitting our website at sewyours.com. These all got delivered yesterday. If you're in Dunellen, Florida, they are available for purchase in our store right here, right now. But you're going to have to wait a couple of weeks for me to get time to release these products. So up first, we have our new Croc vinyls. Here we have our brand new line of Python vinyls, and they are shimmery, and I think this is one of my favorites. I love this particular collection. And here are our brand new leopard prints. We've got Savannah leopard, midnight leopard, and snow leopard. I am partial to this midnight leopard. Has a little bit of shimmer to it. Next up is our cozy knits with the accompanying solid, so you can get it with this knit texture, which is going to make a beautiful bag. And then pair it with the coordinating solid as well. So another one coming up in the upcoming weeks. I can't wait to make a bag with this one myself. And lastly, we have our faux woven vinyls. So this has a woven-like texture printed on the vinyl. So it isn't actually an embossed. It does have a little texture to it. But I think that this one is going to be so wonderful with our faux leather in the black. It's going to make a really sharp bag. So that's black and white and gray, and this is our multi, so look for those in the upcoming weeks. Next up, we have our Savannah suedes. We've restocked our navy, hot pink, and teal, our three best sellers, and we brought in a brand new color. This is our rose, so it's like dusty rose color. It is online, but I haven't taken a photo just yet of the rose. We will be doing the rose instead of the blush color, so once the blush is out of stock, we will be done with that color because we like the rose. It has a little bit more pigment to it. And here we have our restock on our Linertex solids. You guys keep selling us out of these, so we've ordered a whole bunch of our Linertex solids. We are missing our cream color in this line. We have 2 more boxes coming with our shipment, hopefully today, that will be delivered, but you can get all of these colors online right now. And then just like our Linertex prints, now we have our Linertex mono stripes. So there isn't an actual stripe per se. It is all about the texture on this one, and I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but there is a diagonal striped texture to this, so that's why we're calling this our mono stripe line. So we've got these gorgeous pastel colors. We've got an almond, gray, a navy, and a black. So I think you guys are going to love that. Again, this will be online in the upcoming weeks, but you can get our solids right now. And here is another restock. We brought back our Linertex shimmers, which you guys sold us out of the last time. Gosh, I think in nearly a week or so. It was pretty quick. So those are now available again online. You can get them right now. So make sure you stop by our shop here in Dunellen, Florida to shop all of our new fabrics that just arrived. We also have restock on some of our waterproof canvases. We do have Decaville Light and Decaville Heavy in stock in lots of quantities if you guys need it. We'll be restocking our printed Linertex waterproof canvas prints, some new vinyls in the next couple of weeks as well. That shipment hasn't been delivered just yet, but we've got a large selection. So if you're brand new to us, stop by our store or shop online at sewyours.com.